Hey guys, Weathercast 100 here right now. Today I'm going to be talking about Tropical Depression 16 and I think it's 16. What is it? Yeah, 16, and its impacts, potential impacts along the entire eastern seaboard. Probably won't become too strong of a system, but it is expected to become named. Should become Nicole somewhere off the coast of Cuba, and then strengthen a little bit to a minimal to strong tropical storm. But basically, guys, what it's going to be doing is going to be tracking like this over southern Florida and then coming up like this. Actually, I think that's a bit far out, so probably more like that, and then comes in and tracks over the eastern seaboard. But impacts that can be felt from this will probably be very high seas, around 20 feet. In this area right here, the area that I just shaded, and probably even some high seas of at least maybe 15 or 10 feet in this area once it comes up here, because it will be producing gales all along this area. It will have characteristics of both a tropical and a non-tropical system. I guarantee they'll probably try to classify it as a subtropical storm, but it may not be quite there yet. But nonetheless, this will combine with another area of low pressure coming out of Canada and become quite a large nor'easter over in this area. But basically, what can be expected from this is, as this comes up the coast like this, is a lot of rain. All in these areas basically are going to have substantial amounts of rainfall, on the order of 1 to, even down here in Florida and over here, of about 10 inches are possible with this storm coming in. Basically, what some of the models are forecasting is after the storm moves through, a big shot of reinforcing cold air is supposed to come down out of Canada. Oh, that's cool. I just drew an N. Haha, first letter of my name. But anyway, I digress. So a big shot of cold air comes down out of Canada after the storm passes off to the northeast. And basically what that'll do is, some models are being fairly consistent and insisting that it will be that there might be a few snow squalls in this area after the storm passes through. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to happen, but if it does happen, I do not expect any accumulations whatsoever. But just an interesting little tidbit, as it will be the first flakes of the season flying in this area. And then the week after that, we got to watch out for an even colder system coming in, which could produce, some lake effect snows. But that's a whole nother ball game. That's a good 10-15 days out right there. So I'll be keeping you guys updated on all this, and basically, guys, just taking a look at Tropical Depression 16, what will become Nicole, and its impacts that will be felt along the eastern seaboard. Alright, thanks guys. This is Weathercast 100.